Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be on this. This is my kind of sliding into autumn with still a little bit of a summer glow. I'm using some UV products that I am loving at the moment, and that's it. Yes, I'm not going to say anything else because I talk too much. So hope you enjoy this tutorial and stay tuned for the tutorial and I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, so mixing this and a tiny little bit of moisturiser. Just going to apply it, just put it onto something, anything at all, and then using a fluffy brush, mix it all together. So that is my face nice and hydrated before I begin. So now I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Luminous Blush Stick Powder. I'm just going to pop that all over. Now this is just what I do. I now rub it in to make sure it's almost like it feels on your face like a face balm. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to show you another wee tip using any sort of, you can use Vaseline, you can use a lip balm, you can use, because you could probably use some of that primer on. I'm going to use Opal, and I'm using this on my lips. This is going to act as part of an exfoliation. And then using a little brush, you're going to then scroll across your lips. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to use a matte finished lipstick today, and if your lips are sort of dry, sometimes when you do it and then you see the bit here, this is going to try and stop this from happening. So and then using just a baby wipe, if you actually look, you can see how much dry skin comes off your lips. My lips are now awesome and ready to go. So now what I'm going to do is using my P. Louise base in colour Rumour 2. How cool is this little thing? I got this from my kit. Cool, it is so cute, and I've been using it constantly. Should have bought a couple of them. But they're great if you're going to be mixing foundations up. Anything at all that's creamy based, they're fantastic for. So, just put a bit there. Using a flat brush, and I'm just going to now put this all over my eyes. Using my Hourglass diffused light, I'm going to just pop that all over my eyes just to stop it from creasing. And I am good to begin. So stay tuned and you'll see the rest of this tutorial. See you soon guys. Bye. Sorry guys, my camera cut out. So that is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to show me a wee bit of love with giving me a wee thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon guys, bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be on this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be on this look here. Basically, this is shit.